Honey, come here. You gotta hear this.
At Butler, we've been listening to our customers since 1949.
Now listen.
I don't hear anything.
Isn't that great?
Our Lennox systems are reliable and quiet.
You call me if you hear anything, dear.
Is this thing even on?
Oh, it's on. Call Butler, home of the dependables.
For Lennox comfort you can feel, not hear. Lennox, innovation never felt so good.
Honey, you have everything you need for the big game? You comfortable?
At Butler Heating and Air Conditioning, we've been keeping our customers comfortable since 1949.
Honey?
Butler's Lennox home comfort systems will keep you resting easy for years.
Hey, I was watching that.
Sure you were. Call Butler, home of the dependables.
For year-round comfort. Lennox, innovation never felt so good.